Hey, welcome back, guys. What's going on? So welcome back to another video. We're still talking about HTML. Um, so far, we've seen a basic structure of HTML document, and we were even able to create this um, simple web page, which basically has everything that a web page should have, including the doc type declaration, the root element, the head element, the body element, and inside the body element you have just a text that says hello world, right? And then the head has a title that says first web page. Now this is pretty much a complete web page as far as structure is concerned. But then in terms of content, there's a lot that can go inside this, and we're going to see those elements one after the other. Now, um, there's something I want you to notice. There's something called indentation. Now, if you look at this root element, you see that when you get into the inner element, which is the head, there's a little indentation between the root element and the head. Now, I mean, this does not alter the functioning of your code, but it kind of helps you visualize the structure of your code. So by this, you know that head element is a direct child of the root element, and this meta tag is a direct child of the head element. And then you can also see that head and body, the head and the body happen to be on the same level, so they are both direct children. As you can see, they are both direct children of the root element, which is the top level HTML element. So again, this does not really affect how your code works, but it helps you to visualize your code and possibly spot errors when there when there is one. So yeah, there are some tools that help you beautify your code, and there are settings you can also use to customize things like the size of these indentations. But generally, when you want to format your code, you can highlight the part you want to format. Let's say you want to format the entire thing. You do Control A to select all of them. Right click and then click format document. So it's already formatted, so it's not going to have any effects. All right. So just wanted to show you that. So we're going to continue. We're going to continue in the body. Now notice that inside the head, you have things like the title, which is what we have here. If we change this, you will see the title is going to change. I add an exclamation mark here and I save, and you see, get this exclamation mark. So this is the title, the tab, right? What you see, the title of each browser tab directly maps to the whatever you put inside the title element in the head, right? That's how it works. And then of course you have the URL, and then you have the body. So everything here is on the head of the browser, right? That's a good way to visualize it. Just think about everything here is in the head of the browser, then map to what you have in the head section of your web page. Now the body is everything you see, the white part of the browser. I mean, it doesn't always have to be white, depends on whatever color you give it. We're going to see how you can change the color of this background and the color of this text, and maybe in a future video when we talk about styling. But the idea is, I mean, you know, the boundary, the line, everything here is the body of the browser, and the rest of the content can actually go inside here, right? So in the next video, we're going to start looking at those specific contents that can go inside the body element. All right, so I will see you in the next video.